Hi kids, good morning. How are you? I hope you are all good and healthy. Today we are going to see grade 3 English. In that unit 4 poem Sea Song. What's the poem name? Sea Song. Children, already we have discussed about this poem, isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to see book exercise and practice book exercise. Okay. Let me see book exercise. First, in your book page number 35, reading is fun. Three questions have given for you. Okay, let me see one by one. First question. Where did the child find the seashell? The child found the seashell lying on the sand. The child found the seashell lying on the sand. Second one, what did the child do with the shell? Answer, the child picked up the shell and took it home. The child picked up the shell and took it home. Third one, what did the child hear? What did the child hear? The child heard a soft, clear and sweet song from the shell. What did the child hear? The child heard a soft, clear and sweet song from the shell. Okay. Next Roman, pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. Okay children, first one they have given. We have discussed before classes rhyming words, no? Yes, the same thing only. First one, found, sound. Found, sound. What's that? We want to select a word from the box as related rhyming word for the question. Okay children. Second one, cold. What they have given? Cold. Rhyming word is bold. Here have given no? Yes. Bold. Took. Took. Look. What is that? Look. That same sound but different spelling. Isn't it? Yes. Sand. What is that? Sand. Hand. Sand. Hand. Mummy. Tummy. Mummy. Tummy. Here have no? Yes. The rhyming words. Next one. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks with the opposite word choosing from the box below. They have given some opposite words. Okay children, we have to choose a opposite word to this related questions. Okay, first one, found. Here it found it has given in past tense. So our answer also in past tense only. Lost. Found, lost. Hard, soft. Hard, soft. Inside, outside. True, false. Sweet, bitter. Sweet, bitter. Pick, drop. Took. Took also past tense only. Gave. Took, gave. Big, small. Came. Came also in past tense. Came. Went. Cold. Hot. Curly. Straight. Tall. Short. Tall. Short. Last class also we have discussed about this. Okay, once again I repeat you. Choose the right words. The sea is very big or far. Big. You cannot here see the other side. See. You cannot see the other side. You dash cross the sea. Can or cannot? Can. You can cross the sea. You can cross it in a Bus or ship? Yes, ship. You can cross it in a ship. Okay. Next one. Match the phrases with the pictures. They have given the sentences and pictures. You want to choose it. Okay. A bird singing. Which is a bird singing. Cow mooing. Next one. A phone ringing. It's a phone. A phone ringing. A dog barking. You can see the picture of dog. Yes. A dog barking. A cock crowing. Cock. Okay, children. Next, we can see English practice book. Take your practice book at page number 13. Here, see song poem exercise have given for you. Worksheet 7. Okay, let me see. First one, answer the following questions. Okay, first question. What did the child find on the sand? What did the child find on the sand? The child found a shell on the sand. Okay. Second one. Who did the child take the shell to? Who did the child take the shell to? The child took the shell to his mother. To his mother. Okay. Third one. Where did the sound of the song come from? Where did the sound of the song come from? The sound of the song come from the shell. From the shell. Okay. Next one. Fourth. How was the sound of the song that came from the shell? How was the sound of the song that came from the shell? The sound of the song from the shell was soft, sweet and clear. Okay. Next. What was the shape of the shell? What was the shape of the shell? The shell was curly in shape. The shell was curly in shape. Okay. Next Roman. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. First one. The child took the shell home. To home. Okay. Second one. The shell felt how? Hot or cold? It's a cold. It's a cold. Yes. The shell felt cold inside the child's hand. Next. The child was surprised. The child was surprised to listen to the sound from the shell. Okay. Next. Fourth one. The child was surprised when he listened hard. When he listened hard, the child was surprised. Last one. Dash looked at the shell and held it to the child's ear. Mummy. What is that? Mummy. Mummy looked at the shell and held it to the child's ear. Okay, children. We can move to our homework session. Today's homework is write book exercise answers in your book. Revise the book exercise. Okay, children. This book exercise and practice book exercise, you want to do it in your book. Okay, children. Write neatly and use only pencil and send it to me. We will meet in next class. Thank you.